Dude, dude. Oh shit. It was like the freaking worst day of my life. Freaking New Year's Day. Look what the heck happened to my controller when I went to my cousin's house. I freaking jumped on the concrete. Look, I can't even move. It gets stuck. It gets stuck. Like, dude, just please show me how to fix this thing. Look. I think it's wait. It's open. That's why when I put it up like that, I think it just went down. But you know, dude, you know, things happen every freaking time. So oh jeez, dude. Where the heck is the house phone there? But dude, look, I just sent me a freaking thing. It like, ah, jeez. Well, you're watching this, Ryan. I can't play with you, or Mojo, Mellow, or Lil Geesey. Lil Geesey, dude, you're trash at Fortnite. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you my rocks, bro. You wanna see my rocks that I just got? I got these from my mama. Got these rocks. Got the 40 fast, bro. Fun up. I don't like these shoes because then they crease fast. But they're not that creased. Look. I use them a lot of days. Like, yeah, bro. Bye, bro.